They're used to recording videos.
This is true. All right, so that's true. First question is, what has made you feel connected to your classroom this year? You could think about all your classes or maybe a particular class. What has made you feel particularly connected to a class this year?
I like social science a lot because Mrs. McHugh, I'm on Team 7 too. She puts us in groups and we get to work together, and we have inquiry projects each quarter. So when we do the inquiry projects, it gives us she gives us the chance to do it with a partner, and then we get to work outside of school and I don't know, become friends, become more close.
That's very good. Cool. What have your teachers done to get to know you this year?
Honestly, last year was more efficient. My social science teacher last year, she made Miss Vasilakos. She gave us all about me. So the first show on the first day of school, she gave us all these topics about us, and she asked us all these questions on a piece of paper, and then she put it in a time capsule. And then at the last day of school, we would open it up and write all about it. So I think that's a really good job what she did.
Cool. I like that idea too. Do you think that the relationship you have with a teacher affects your efforts and or behavior in their class?
When a teacher is my social science teacher again, she's very cheerful and joyful, and that kind of makes me more engaged in her class, wants to talk more. But when a teacher, I know teachers have to be strict, but when a teacher's maybe put it over the hump a little, that kind of brings my engage a little down, because I feel like I'm doing something wrong. But I when I engage more.
Very good. Nice answer. Two more. How have your teachers challenged you this year, or what was particularly challenging for you this year?
Again, sixth grade, I think it was a little better because on our test, she would say, or before, she would say, there's going to be an ME preparation or a test. But in seventh grade in social science again, she gives us all these ME challenges that I like to do. It's one's about Andrew Jackson, how he might get removed from the $20 bill, and how he did, and we learned all about the Trail of Tears. It's just, I really like that.
Very good. Last question. How do you know if a teacher has high expectations of you?
I know a teacher has high expectations when they challenge you. So when they say in math perspective, it challenges you a lot, but he always says you should already learn this in sixth grade, which kind of gets me a little upset because we might not have remembered it, but I think it's good.
Very good. Thank you.